Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your OPPO Find X5 Pro using app called Notifybuddy. So in order to do that, first thing we'll need to download the app from our Google Play Store. So let's open Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Notifybuddy, like that, and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. And after installation process is complete, we can open the app, move to the next step, and from here you will need to grant two permissions to the app. And the first one is notification. Press grant, and from here find Notifybuddy, select it, and allow notification access. Now allow again, go back, and do the same thing with overlay permissions, grant, find Notifybuddy, and select always. Go back. And here is the third option, which is battery optimization. You don't need to disable it, but if the app doesn't work properly on your phone, you can try disabling it. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. Here you'll find 4 tabs which have different settings or options. So the first one is user, and from here you can choose any apps that you've downloaded that you want to get custom notifications for. So for this example, let's pick TikTok and move to the system, and here you'll find all system apps if you want to get the notifications for. In the active tab you'll see all of the apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED by changing its size, shape, or position on the screen, or even the times between blinking. Now in order to see how it's gonna look like, we're gonna press on the test button, and here we can see the little LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.